Welcome to day 9 of Waxvent. We are getting closer to Christmas.
Yes,
I hope you've all been good.
Yes, yeah. Nobody wants coal in their stockings, dudes, or whatever Santa brings to naughty boys and girls in your particular part of the world, because it's different every part of the world.
If you've got a coal fire, it'll be perfect.
Oh well, yeah. True, that is true. Cost of heating these days is incredible. Cost of living is incredible.
It's going up. And this is my patient. Actually, a short one for me. I don't really get short ones. But,
I know.
Yeah. You can see we've got this it's kind of stretchy, sticky kind of skin in this patient's ear canal. You can see how long it's going as I'm pulling on this. We're giving it a little bit of a wiggle. I think that's all detached. We should be near enough finished.
Oh, there's a plug behind it. Look at that.
Yeah, there's a bit of wax in there now.
So there was a block of skin and then this block of wax behind it.
I'm still not 100%, so I do apologise for the voice. It looks a bit all skewy. It was so sticky. You should have seen me trying to actually line this up on the ruler. It just kept getting stuck to the tool.
Sometimes you can't do it. If they're really dry, you can kind of scoop them all into a line and you're okay. But with the sticky ones, you kind of move it and it's still stuck to whatever it is you moved it with.
Yeah, what we got, that's, what have I done there? Oh, it's a 1.5 centimetres.
Yeah, sort of. And I'm just going to go just under 3/4 of an inch on that one. There you go. Well, guys, thanks very much for watching our day 9 of Waxvent. We're into double figures from tomorrow. So, as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we shall see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.